Hello guys, here it is my Swiss Army knife collections. This is the first video I make about my collections. The Vicotrinox small pocket knife. I will begin with the Vicotrinox Handyman. Very sharp blade. The big blade. The small blade. Next, we have the metal saw and the file. As you can see, a file. A nail file can be a nail file, and a metal saw. Next, we have the wood saw, very sharp, can cut a piece of wood in seconds. Next, you have the scissors. Next, the pliers. Here you can see this little hole can cut some wire, some little wire. The can opener with small screwdriver. The bottle opener with a big screwdriver and a wire stripper here, as you can see. In the back we have the wine opener to put in a cork, and next we pull it out. With this we can carve in the wood to make some holes or some carving in the wood. I don't know, I never used this. This is a little screwdriver. This is for carrying, it's more comfortable. I never use this, but someone can use. I never use. And next we have the hole. This can make holes. Basically, this can make holes. More useful is in a belt. You can make holes in a belt in a situation of emergency, or you can make holes in the wood to pass some cord or some wire for some bushcraft things or survival emergency. And as all small pocket knives by Vicotrinox have the tweezers, and the toothpick. Next we have the Huntsman. This paint is a little texture, has a little texture. Is different from the classic one. The only difference is that don't have the metal saw and the pliers. Has the scissors and the bottle opener, the can opener. It's equal for all small pocket knives. The can opener, the bottle opener, the small blade, the big blade. All these 91 millimeters knives that have these two blades and the bottle opener and can opener. This is the Spartan, Vicotrinox Spartan, with this texture paint. the logo is gone, as you can see. This is like a paint, is like a metal sign. It's just a paint, and can you can lose the paint. This is a Spartan, but with the classic paint. This is a Spartan, but it's from fish. I don't know what company it is. This FIS. I found this knife in the woods. This small knife, I found it too here. It has maybe 20 years or more, because as you can see, all these small pocket knives open in 90 degrees the bottle opener. This is a mark from this is a mark as we can date the knives about 20 years or less. As you can see, this open completely, don't has this 90 degrees open, so it's more hold than the others, and this is the oldest one. The first thing is it don't has this. The wine bottle opener is different. The small blade is different too. Even the logo is different. You can see this isn't a Vicotrinox knife, but you can see in the blade Helinox. Let me focus. Vicotrinox, Switzerland, stainless steel, rust free. It was sharpened very multiple times. It's the climber, I think. Here we have. Sorry for my bad English. I'm Portuguese. I don't speak English very often. The SD Classic with the scissors in the back and the blade in the front, the small blade. You can't take this serious. The file, the screwdriver, the small screwdriver. This is the SD Classic 125 years an anniversary. I bought this in the store here in Portugal. I don't see these knives a lot on the internet. This is one of my favorite, the Soldier 08. You can open with this hole with one hand. You can see has some serrated. This is a small half serrated blade. Very sharp. They all are very sharp. It's locked. You must do this, and now you can close it. A wood saw. A very strong screwdriver, locked too. Can opener. In the back we don't have the wine bottle opener, we have the Phillips screwdriver. Very useful. And the hole thing to dig holes in a belt or in the wood. Finally, we have the Vicotrinox Hunter. I love this knife. It's a different mechanism with this lock mechanism. You open the blade. It's a different blade too. It's like this blade, like the blade in these knives, but it's longer. It's locked, and you pull down, and the blade closes. The same, a little bit different, but it's the same, like the other knives. This is not a saw, it's a small serrated blade to open the animals for the hunters, to clean the animals. You go like this in an animal to open their skin, and has to a wood saw, very useful in hunting situations. I made this lanyard to hold in the hand in the field, not to lose it if I was working or cutting something in the woods. The sharpener, the ceramic sharpener. Last and not least, we have the pockets, the belt pockets. We have this and this small one. This is for the handyman. I bought this with the handyman. It costs about like $20. The belt, it's very strong, very strong. It's durable, can last years. Not very strong, but still very beautiful. Fits perfectly. This beautiful punch for the belt. You can open like this. And for the Vicotrinox hunter, I bought at the same time this punch. It's like this, but it's 111 millimeters. It's for the big pocket knives. Fits perfectly. And for the small pocket knife, the smallest pocket knife, this pocket came with the knife. It's to protect, not to carry it. So guys, this is my collection. I hope you like it. See you in another videos. Bye.